Hello guys! So, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers and supporters because I have 5 subscribers right now. So, yesterday, I have 4 subscribers. I celebrate my subscribers. Oh, I forgot the name. Subscribers, and now I have 5. So, everyone, can you please send a comment below, right there, comment. So if you're a YouTuber too in Philippines, you can watch also my video, Hannah Martina Andes 7555. There's 3 5 and 1 7. Okay? If you heard that, comment below. So, I just want to say thank you again to all of my supporters and subscribers for 5 subscribers. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you later in my next video. Peace.